Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 2024 Rockwell Automation Fair. Here at the METTLER Toledo booth, we have many exciting new products. Today, I'd like to focus on the automated precision weighing portfolio. These are our industrial Ethernet integrated weigh modules, high precision weigh modules. Um, for the WMF, we have a 200 gram capacity with a 4 decimal readability. For the SPE, we have 400 grams, all the way up to 7 kg. With the SPC, we weigh down to a milligram. As you'll notice, we have status LEDs on the front of our weigh modules. Our weigh modules have customized adaptability to your machines through threaded weighing pans. They are highly robust against overloads, vertical and side, and uplift. We provide customization to your application, from mounting holes to the custom weighing adapter that goes on top of the weighing pan. From a connectivity perspective, we have integrated industrial Ethernet. This is provided over a single wire PoE cable, power over Ethernet, where data and power is exchanged over an M12 to RJ45 connector. This provides simple installation into your machine. There's only one way to do it. You can't get it wrong. Additionally, we have our add-on instructions, add-on profiles, EDS files, all the tools that you need to connect to your Allen Bradley control system to simplify your job and reduce your integration efforts. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your local sales representative. Come visit us at booth 514 or check us out on mt.com/APW.